Welcome back to The Wolf and the Melody. My name's Tommy, and today we are checking out a new band on the channel called Kampfar, with the video with the song Ophidian. So, a friend of mine showed this band to me recently, and they actually showed me this song, and when I saw that there was a video, I was like, I gotta check it out. So, yes, I've heard this song, but I haven't seen the video, but I figure I loved it, and I wanted to see the video, and we're gonna do it here. So this really surprised me. This is like really just great freaking black metal, man. Like, I love it. I think it's so good, and I'm excited to hear what you have to say about it. I love that a lot of you that maybe have like kind of struggled with black metal have given it a chance, because on this channel, we cover a lot, and I've had some people who go, man, I had a hard time getting into it, but I've been able to get into it because of this channel, and that means a lot to me. I know a lot of us come here to see a reaction of like our favorite bands and whatever, but there's a lot of people here that are hungry to discover new things, and that's where I'm at. So if you're hungry to discover new music and willing to open your heart and give it a chance, we're in for a fun time. So thank you all for being here. Let's check this out. Kampfar. Skull ice cubes.
Reptiles speak. Between sunset and sunrise, in the last fragment of life, you can feel them crawl, you can hear them fall. The opposite of light. The moon, the mist, the pure.
Cool video, dude.
The phenomenon, the pure, the servant, the covenant. It will crush the night sky, it will eat the light, it will speak with snakes, while it dance among rapid tails, the tide soaking the graves. As the rowers keep on rowing, fears persist, returning hate for hate. They will crush the night sky, they will eat the light, they will speak with snakes.
Great lyrics, dude.
While the dance among rapid tales, the tide filling the graves. As the rowers keep on rowing, fears persist, returning hate for hate. The serpents.
That was awesome.
As the keep on rowing, with the serpents licking flame. As the keep on in Carnalast. The phenomenon is grown.
That was so good, dude. Oh, I loved it. I love it, man. The homie dude who told me about this band. Thank you, man, because this was so just. I just get sucked in. The video is just dark and brutal, but just mysterious, and I can't not look away. Like I'm just like, yep, 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 you know. And the video was cool, man. Like really well done, and the music is great. The elements that they bring of that kind of like change it up a little bit with the flow of it, and the vocals, man. Dude, the vocals are killer. The melodies, everything. This is just a great freaking song, man. I am so glad. I'm so glad that this crossed my path, man. Incredible. Let me know what you think. What are your thoughts? Y'all, Kampfar with Ophidian. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, everybody, for just taking time out of your day to hang out, check this out, and you know I appreciate it. And kudos to you guys for, you know, stepping out of your comfort zone and checking out new stuff. That's what this is all about. So I appreciate it. If you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram. Come say hi. And yeah, keep your head up. Keep going. I'm cheering you on. I'm rooting for you. I know that life is tough. I know that some of us are really getting beat down. But you got to keep going. One day at a time. You got to keep going. So thank you so much for just taking time to be here. All right? Stay lovely. Stay metal. And until next time, we'll be back with another reaction.